Hey, cosmic travelers! Whether you're a young dreamer searching for meaning or a wise soul reflecting on life's journey, welcome to Vedic Cycle of Life. Today we explore Sun Surya Mahadasha. Suryo Atma Jagatasthasthu Shashch. The sun is the soul of all that moves and does not move. When Surya takes the throne, life asks you to be visible, to claim a center, to show up. This Mahadasha pushes you toward leadership, clarity, identity, and vitality. It's about becoming known and learning the cost and gift of being known. If Surya is well placed, strong, exalted in friendly houses, or supported by benefic aspects, the Mahadasha becomes a time of sustained vitality, confidence, and legitimate public honor. You find natural authority, promotions, leadership roles, public recognition, mentorship opportunities, and clearer life purpose. Modern practical effects, career breakthroughs, visible personal brand, successful public roles, manager, speaker, politician, founder, greater agency and clarity in decision making. If Surya is debilitated or weak, in enemy signs afflicted by malefic aspects, combust, or poorly placed by house, the same arenas may become areas of stress, identity confusion, ego struggles, public setbacks, father authority relationship issues, low vitality, or health vulnerabilities. You may face criticism, loss of status, burnout, or difficulty asserting yourself constructively. Modern practical effects, career plateaus, strained workplace relations, legal or reputational problems, or struggles to feel confident in leadership may need structure, counseling, or medical attention for vitality. Surya's central lesson remains: learn to radiate without burning. Whether strong or weak, the Mahadasha asks you to move toward integrity, service, and clarity. Antardashas, the rays of the sun. Each Antardasha shows how Surya's core, identity, leadership, vitality, mingles with a sub-period load. So, viewers, let's dive into the Antardasha of 9 planets. Sun Antardasha in Sun Mahadasha, the reign of self, Swadhyay Pravarno Bhutva, Tejasa Lokmavishet. Through self-knowledge, the soul radiates its light into the world. When the sun rules itself, the core themes of authority, visibility, leadership, father figure dynamics, and public role are highlighted. Modernly, this can translate into promotions, launching a business, being offered a board seat, receiving public honors, or becoming a recognized expert in your field. You are seen. People may look to you for direction. If Sun, Mahadasha Lord, is strong, this is a signature period for sustained recognition, confidence, and constructive authority. You carry influence with integrity. If Sun is weak, attempts at visibility may feel blocked or meet resistance. Pride may lead to public errors or burnout. Sun is Agni, fire, Sattva leaning, with Pitta doshic expression. Double Sun energy intensifies fire, clarity, transformative will, and catalytic action. The guna of Sattva helps keep action purposeful, while the Pitta heat can speed outcomes, helpful for initiation, but requiring care to avoid overheating. Watch for Pitta-related issues, inflammations, headaches, eye strain, high blood pressure, or heat-related fatigue. Keep hydration, rest, and cooling foods. Moon Antardasha in Sun Mahadasha, the dance of light and reflection. Surya Chandramaso, Dhata Yatha Purva Makalpayat. The Creator ordained sun and moon to balance light and shadow. Sun, authority, blending with moon, emotion, nurture, brings opportunities and roles that combine leadership with care. Healthcare management, teaching, counseling, family business, or creative works with emotional depth. You may reconcile family matters or gain visibility through compassionate projects. Strong Sun. You balance authority with empathy. Relationships and public image both heal. Weak Sun. You may feel torn between public demands and private emotions. Reputation might suffer from emotional reactivity. Fire, Sun meets water, Moon. The steam of feeling, creative, fertile, sometimes volatile. Sattvic Moon soothes Sun's Pitta, creating compassion-driven action. But excess heat can steam and cloud judgment if unregulated. Be mindful of digestion, sleep cycles, and fluid retention. Emotional stress can manifest physically, so rest on lunar days, hydrate, and practice calming evening rituals. Mars Antardasha in Sun Mahadasha, the warrior's forge. Viryam Tejash, Saumyam cha Sarvam Surya Pratishtitam. All valor and brilliance arise from the sun itself. Sun plus Mars equals action with purpose. Military athletic success, entrepreneurship, crisis leadership, bold product launches, or sales campaigns. You gain traction by daring action. Strong Sun, sustained courage and reputation from decisive action. Weak Sun, aggression or rash decisions may damage relationships or reputation. Fire meets fire. Rajas intensifies, Pitta spikes. This fuels decisive action and transformation but can overheat systems. Risk of inflammation, fevers, ulcers, hypertension. Regular vigorous exercise, cooling practices, and breathwork help channel the warrior energy. Rahu Antardasha in Sun Mahadasha, the eclipse of ambition. Rahuryada Suryam Grasati Tada Atma Vivechite. When Rahu eclipses the sun, the self is forced to discern its truth. Sun plus Rahu pushes for unconventional fame. Media virality, global ventures, tech startups, influencer culture, or risk-taking projects. It can catapult you into the limelight or into scandal. Strong Sun, breakthrough global influence, pioneering ventures with high visibility. Weak Sun, identity crises, reputation risks, or being misled by illusions of fame. Fire plus Air, volatile, visionary, restless. Raja's storms, Tamas adds shadow. Pitta and Vata imbalances can manifest as stress. Chronic stress, insomnia, adrenal strain. Grounding, limiting screen time, and stabilizing routines are crucial. Jupiter Antardasha in Sun Mahadasha, the light of wisdom. Brihaspati, Surya Syanuj Pragyam Prayachati. Jupiter, brother of the sun, bestows divine intelligence. Sun, leadership, meets Jupiter, expansion, ethics, success via education, publishing, advisory roles, or spiritual leadership. You might gain through teaching, legal success, or overseas opportunities. Strong Sun, respected mentor or scholar, long-term honors. Weak Sun, arrogance masks, insecurity, moral errors can damage reputation. Fire, Sun, plus Ether, Jupiter. Illumination opens into broadened vision. Sattva supports balanced growth. Pitta Kapha moderation gives steady expansion. Watch liver, digestion, and weight changes. Moderate indulgence and regular movement keep balance. Saturn Antardasha in Sun Mahadasha, the trial of shadows. Taptaha Surya Kirai Kashtam Dhairyena Hem Bhavate. Wood, scorched by the sun's fire, becomes gold through endurance. Sun plus Saturn is hard work turned into durable legacy. Building institutions, long projects, public service, structural reforms, or legal responsibilities. In modern terms, restructuring companies, long government tenures, or stepping into onerous leadership roles. Strong Sun, mature authority, respected elderhood, legacy achievements. Weak sun, heavy burdens, bureaucratic stagnation, reputational humiliations. Fire meets air/earth, Saturn, friction that forges resilience. Sattva meets tamas, light works through discipline. Pitta meets vata, requires patience and careful pacing. Joint aches, chronic fatigue, lowered immunity. Routine, warmth, slow strengthening, and regular sleep are essential. Mercury Antardasha in Sun Mahadasha, the voice of illumination. Buddhi Surya Prakashen Tejsa Vyapyate Narinam. The brilliance of intellect shines by the grace of the sun. Sun, status, plus Mercury, communication intellect, empowers teachers, writers, lawyers, consultants, or tech founders. You may deliver talks, publish, or lead negotiations where your voice matters. Strong Sun, articulate leadership, persuasive speech, and clear influence. Weak Sun, miscommunication harms reputation. Words may be used destructively or misinterpreted. Fire, Sun, plus Earth, Mercury, intellect given structure. Rajas animates Sattva, enabling clear, functional expression. Vata can bring mental agility but also restlessness. Neck/shoulder tension, digestive upset, stress related headaches, vocal care, grounding foods, and pauses before public speaking help. In Sun Mahadasha, the light beyond the self, Yada sarve pramuchante kama yesya hridashrita. When all desires dwelling in the heart are released, the mortal becomes immortal. Katha Upanishad. Sun plus Ketu is the turning inward of the king. Renunciation of performative identity, spiritual seeking, or creative solitude. Modern echoes, retreat, pared down lifestyle, spiritual leadership, or a move into non public creative work. Strong Sun, conscious withdrawal that yields inner realization, dignified renunciation. Weak Sun, loss of status that may cause depression unless reoriented to meaning. Fire plus ether, illumination dissolves into boundless awareness. Sattva transcends, Pitta cools into equanimity. Possible lethargy or sleep changes. Practice gentle restorative routines, meditative fasting, and restorative sleep. Venus Antardasha in Sun Mahadasha, the radiance of desire. Shukro dadati saundaryam tejopi surya sanyuktam. Venus grants beauty when united with the sun's brilliance. Sun plus Venus blends charisma and charm. Fame through art, design, fashion, hospitality, luxury businesses, or public romance stories. You attract partnerships, endorsements, and affluent collaborations. Strong Sun, tasteful public persona, lucrative creative partnerships, dignified public love. Weak Sun, vanity, overspending, or reputation. Risk through romantic entanglements. Fire, Sun, plus water, Venus give magnetic charisma. Rajas with Sattva produces tasteful action. Pitta Kapha interplay gives charm with stability but risks indulgence. Hormonal issues, skin flares, or metabolic shifts. Balanced diet, moderation in luxury, and grounding practices help. Part 3. Practical application. How to work with Surya Mahadasha. If you want to flow with Surya's current, rise with the sun, simple morning rituals anchor the body-mind. Honest leadership. Speak truth but listen. Serve rather than dominate. Honor father figures or elders. Reconciliation often smooths career paths. Health. Protect the heart and eyes. Temper pitta, hydrate and rest. If Surya is weak in your chart or currently afflicted, seek mentorship, cultivate humility, adopt structure, and prioritize health routines that rebuild vitality. Final thought: the Mahadasha invites you to be the light that helps others see themselves, a leadership of service, not spectacle.